Hi, I'm Anthony Grupido, and I'm known as a magician and speaker who makes mental health stigma disappear. Oh, and for stealing watches.
We're at Derby for Kids. What's your name again?
I'm Jack.
Jack, I stole your watch.
Prior to the COVID-19 pandemic, I delivered keynotes and workshops at live events all over North America.
Speak kindness into creation, because we are all deserving. We all have a purpose, and we are all here for a reason.
Now that everyone is working from home, I've moved my presentations and magic shows online.
Name your card out loud.
Jack of clubs.
Jack of clubs, just right there.
Oh.
The card that you were looking at?
That was it.
Imagine an online experience designed to lift your spirits, magically interact with you through Zoom, and educate you about mental wellness. Anxiety, depression, and stress are so relevant right now, so why not learn how to manage it to the best of your ability while watching world-class magic tricks?
How? How?
As a speaker, I offer insights for dealing with stress, talking about your mental health, and where to go if you need help. I've been using my presentation, The Magic of Hope, for nearly a decade at schools, with businesses, and at airbases to help those struggling with their mental health and provide practical tools and insight that you can use to change your life in a positive way.
You know what I can do? I can use the tools around me to accomplish what you think is impossible.
As a magician, I come alive through the screen and show you my best magic tricks and read your mind in many different ways. It's so much fun.
Wow.
There's no cards. They're all blank. I only have the Ace of Hearts that entire time.
Depending on your goals, I can customize the content and duration to best serve your needs. Depending on what you're looking for, I can do anywhere from a 30-minute to hour-long magic show or my entire Magic of Hope presentation, even with a workshop to follow. So contact me now to discuss how we can work together virtually to add some much-needed magic and positivity to your next event.